I have just got these spicy nuts out of the oven, and the smell of the smoked paprika is delicious. I've just put a recipe together. It's actually on my YouTube channel and on my website, where I've coated these nuts in some delicious spices, and I've made them just even healthier. And this month I'm concentrating on cardiovascular disease risk, and the fact that eating 30 grams of nuts each day actually reduces your risk. And I've just made these nuts going from very sort of plain flavored to being absolutely delicious. And I think you're going to love making these and enjoy eating them.